Love the recipe. Now I'm leaving it here. A big hug and see you in the next video. You can't imagine what happens when you cut broccoli like this. Then cut it into much smaller pieces. Next, add all of the chopped broccoli to another container. Once that's done, add 3 beaten eggs. Then add half a spoonful of sweet paprika, half a spoonful of black pepper, half a spoonful of garlic powder, and half a spoonful of salt. Mix everything together well until it's combined. And if you like easy recipes like this, click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. Now add 100 grams of grated Parmesan cheese and mix well. That's it. It's perfect. Set aside. Then in a frying pan, add a little olive oil. Then using a brush, spread all of the olive oil over the bottom of the pan and wait for it to heat up. Now, add all of the broccoli mixture in here. Then, spread it over the bottom of the pan. Once that's done, cover it and let it bake for 5 minutes. Once one side is done, turn it over to bake the other side. If you don't like broccoli, it's because you've never eaten it prepared this way. It's wonderful. Add it back in here. Then add tomato sauce on top and spread it out. After this recipe, you won't spend any more money on the weekend. It's ready in just 5 minutes. Now let's add grated cheese on top, and I'm using 200 grams. Once that's done, let's add slices of pepperoni. And if you like pizza, this broccoli pizza will make your mouth water. It was wonderful. Everyone here at home loved it. Now just cover it and let it bake until all the cheese melts. And our recipe is ready. Look how wonderful it was. Perfect. Honestly, there's no way to resist. Now just get the whole family together, take a slice and serve. I really hope you liked it. If you got this far, leave a rating from 0 to 10. What would you give this recipe? This broccoli and pepperoni pizza has become a favorite here at home because it's healthy and delicious. Everyone loved the recipe. Now I'm leaving it here. A big hug and see you in the next video.